Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs. So first you have to log into your Google account, which I have already. So you will press this square right here in Drive. So you will go to New in Docs and it will bring up a whole new tab. So Google Docs to me is equivalent to Microsoft Word. So you can simply just put anything. And also, before you forget, you also want to title your document every time you start, which I was about to forget, but I didn't. So I could put Jayla Peterson, but today I would put Kanice Doc Project. So I've already typed something, which is my first and my last name. So just like in Word, we have our icons up here and right here. You can middle line it, sideline it, you can numerate it. I can change the fonts, the colors. I can bold it. I can bring it all the way to 30, and do that. I can insert tables, images, footnotes, equations. I can make a copy. I can share it. I can move it to the trash. Say if it's something that I don't want anymore, I can move it to the trash and they'll basically delete it. I can open a new one. So everything that you do in Google Drive, it automatically saves. So you don't have to constantly click the little flappy disk that we had on Microsoft Word. You don't have to constantly hit that to save. You could just save it like this. It just automatically save. You could put a open comment and you can share it. So when sharing it, you can just put in people's names or email addresses. So let's see. I'll put my mom's. I can add a note to it. I can press advance. So when I press advance, this is also another way to share it. I can share it via Gmail, Facebook, and Twitter. Or I could just copy this link. So down here it'll say who has access. So I could change it to whether I want it on the web or anybody can do it, or I can just put just certain people. Yeah, so that's basically my tutorial of Google Docs. Thank you.